here we go. This is C major scale, a brand new key. We've gone through D major with two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. Then we went through G major, which is just one sharp, F sharp. And now we're in C major, which has no sharps, no flats. And that's still a key. No sharps, no flats, C major. That means for us, we really have to think about when we get to that F in the second measure, make sure it's second finger, because now we're talking about F natural, not third finger, F sharp. Likewise, on the A string, C natural, second finger, not third finger, which would be C sharp. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Second finger, bow lift, and still second finger.